it's Anna here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be looking at a grade 7 Natural Sciences Life and Living question taken from the Herzia Middle School June 2016 exam. Let's dive straight in. We're looking at question 1.1 of that question paper, and the question is, what skill is a scientist using when he or she listens to the sounds that whales make? Okay, we've got A, making a hypothesis, B, interpreting data, C, making observations, or D, drawing conclusions. So, our answer first of all is making observations, because when you are looking at something or listening or touching, using your senses to find out what's going on around you, that's called making observations. It's not making a hypothesis, because making a hypothesis involves making an assumption about something, okay, and going on to test that assumption to see whether or not it's correct. Interpreting data is not correct either, because first you need to collect the data and then interpret it. Here, the scientist is only listening. And drawing conclusions is also incorrect, because that comes after first collecting and interpreting the data that you have. All right, so making observation is the correct answer. Now, before I go, I'd just like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read about them in the description below. Be sure to head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.